Hello, Paul here from EMB Automotive. This is the actual Porsche Cayenne 4.8 Turbo. There was some videos last month I done. I have finished, done the timing. I double checked the timing probably 3-4 times. Just what's a really important thing to do. So the timing was perfect. Every time I checked it was pretty much 99.9% lined up, which is 100% anyway. Nothing is lined up properly due to tool tolerance, but it's always 99.9. I say 99.9 all the time, or 100%. But everything's back on. The pump's timed up. Vacuum pump's timed up. The front, everything on top is done. Vacuum hoses, plugs, you name it. Everything is back together on this car here. All right. So now I'm going to start the car up for the first time. I don't have the intercooler hoses plugged in. You don't need it. If you're starting the car on idle, it's fine. It's not going to create problem, but if you're revving it, it will cut out. So as long as it's on idle, it's fine. So today, this is the actual moment to start the car up after a massive job. So I've charged the battery up already. So this is because I had to, I put this on here to protect the paint because I had the massive crane tool here across here to hold the engine up so I can take the subframe off to do the actual pushing, the front diff pushing and all that. That's all done. All the work underneath is done, so now I'm going to start the car up for the first time. We're going to come here. Okay, it should start up. I already primed the fuel, so it should start up straight away. There you go. Start straight up, still cold. So quiet compared to before. Very quiet compared to before. Before we're ticking away. Massive difference when you replace the hydraulic lifter. The lifter is still got to fill up because they're all probably half empty. Yeah, the lifter's got to be, I've got to have the car running to fill up the lifters. So get it hot to fill up the lifters, but then I just wanted to start it up to make sure the car starts perfect. And usually if it doesn't start in the first 3 cranks that you have, there's something wrong with the timing or something wrong somewhere. Well, I'm very happy with this one here. Everything's perfect, so now I can have a good weekend. Don't have to think about the timing on this car, it's perfect. So I can actually start assembling slowly. Got a few hoses here that I'm going to replace before I put the radiator fan back on. So that one there, and the bottom one there as well. So it's just plastic, they're getting too old. But other than that, it's looking really good, alright? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.